Are you still struggling to make stunning videos that look amazing? Want to turn kids' video ideas into something truly special? Creating engaging, professional, and eye-catching content for kids and adults isn't just about being creative. It also has to capture attention and drive impact effortlessly. Introducing Fun Kids Animate, all-in-one solution to easily create stunning animated sales video and design tailored for kids' theme. With Fun Kids Animate, anyone can create professional quality assets without hiring designers or learning complicated software. All you need is Canva Free Pro. Fun Kids Animate allows you to effortlessly create colorful, playful animations and designs. Save time with ready-made templates for videos, presentations, photos, flyers, brochures, and more. Stand out with unique, vibrant visuals. How does it work? It's as simple as 1 to 3. Imagine the possibilities if you use Fun Kids Animate. 1. Fun Kids themed animated videos for educational, promo, or marketing content. 2. Colorful slideshow presentations to showcase ideas or lessons in a playful way. 3. Interactive animated photo galleries with the Gallery Photo Animate templates, perfect for preserving and displaying memorable moments. And so much more. Fun Kids Animate is a complete done-for-you bundle, perfect for educators, marketers, content creators, and anyone looking to captivate kids with creative designs. Save time, save money, and 100% keep the profits. Claim your special discounted copy today and get special private label rights license for limited time. Start creating captivating kids animated sales videos like a pro.